Just looking into 2024, it's a big year for us. When I look at what's going on in the industry, some key trends, predictions in my mind of what's happening is definitely you're going to see a lot of integration and onshoring, where typically you have companies that have a greater urgency to own their own manufacturing processes. I think part of this is due to the Buy America, Build America provisions that are leading up to the concentration of domestic manufacturing. So that's definitely a big trend. Another trend that I see is the ability to maximize the fiber investment that's out there moving. I think we've just touched the tip of the iceberg on what fiber can do. But as we move into technology developments like artificial intelligence coupled with machine learning, I think that will add some substantial enhancements, especially to smart city solutions. So I think that's going to be a trend. Another shift that we see happening in the market is the shift for fiber to the home market specifically, is a movement from homes passed to homes connected. And that's a key metric. The key metric I think Wall Street keeps up with has been homes passed, but more and more homes passed doesn't really generate your income. I mean, that's what generates revenue is homes connected. So I think as we close the digital divide and as civic leaders look to ways to do that in an efficient way, I think you're going to see a lot more movement towards urgency to connect the homes. Service providers are investigating, I know for sure, different ways to embrace a move away from legacy methods of connecting homes to labor light, where you have less skilled laborers that could actively embrace the most efficient technologies and products in the market. So I think those, I'm really looking forward to 2024 as the start of a very busy and productive time in our industry.